You guys thought I was sitting in front of the computer, didn't you? No, man, this is Beach Office 365 for a reason. That's right, because it's the middle of the week. It's a Thursday at around 2:30 p.m. and I'm on the beach. And because here's why, all right? This is all about, look, this is a video about Drip, obviously, because that's what I'm most passionate about in terms of crypto and DeFi is Drip Network. The reason I call this off the channel Beach Office 365 is because that was my goal several years ago. Is I just wanted to have an office on the beach where I could, you know what I mean, create my own schedule. And that didn't come until I became a business owner and left the corporate world and stopped being an employee. All right, because I busted my ass as an employee. Right, I was making very little. This is, you know, probably 13 years ago. I was like, I'm gonna make 6 figures, and I busted my ass. And I worked my way up, and I was making over $100,000. I was making $120,000 a year. But you know what? I was working like 60 hours a week. In LA, where I live, $120,000 a year ain't as much as you think. Because taxes, man, like, God, they come right out of that check before you see it. So that's why becoming a business owner has really just changed everything. And since being a business owner, I started a second business, which is all about making money passively online. And right now, DeFi is where I have the majority of my attention, because a project like Drip, which right now we're seeing a price turnaround, this is the time to get into it. Look at this. You have to find ways to earn additional revenue streams, and these revenue streams need to be able to make money for you while you're sleeping. Meaning they do not require a lot of attention from you throughout the day. So if you want to know more about Drip, if you're not in it, please leave a comment down below. I'll leave my buddy address. If you want to use it, great. If not, no worries. Would still love to talk to you about Drip. Yeah, man, catch you guys on the next one.